brand new car, the 2021 BMW X6. So what do you think is great about the X6? So when we ordered, it took like 2 months to get to here. So now we gonna start review it as we come to the front. You get these big halo LED lights, you get fog lights, you get this huge kidney grill. Come down here, you get functional air vents, 2 air scoops, and then as you come down, you get 22-inch BMW M-branded wheels with 4 piston calipers, 4 ventilated brake rollers. And when you come to the back, you get the wheel spoiler, the hatchback. You get your X6 badge, your S-48 badge. Come down here, you get this metallic gray across here. You get these big exhausts down here. Now, let's go to the inside and see what this car has on the inside. Alright, so we're in the inside of this X6. So as you come to the door panels, you get nice red and black leather with nice stitching with the ruler trim. And down below you get your pockets, put a bar sandwich and soda to wash it down. As you come here, you get this 12.3-inch display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Go in car controls. You can control everything from your driving mode, your interior light, travel assistant displays, doors, vehicle assets, interior light, climate control, key button settings. As you come down here, you get your AC controls. Down here, you get your radio controls. Open this up, you get wireless charging, USB, and 12-volt, and 2 cup holders. As you come here, you get that 8-speed automatic transmission. You get your tri-mode, sport, comfort, eco-pro, and adaptive. You got your e-brake, and if you don't want to touch the screen, you can use this to control it with some shortcuts. Over here, you get a USB-C down here. And if you look up, you get this panoramic sunroof right here. As you look here, you get your window, your mirror with your garage door settings. And if you click this button, it gives you your safety settings. Now, let's go to the driver's side and see what's in the driver's side. So, we in the driver's side, so let's see. You get your trunk opener, your memory seats, power assist for both passenger and the driver. You get your 3-spoke M steering wheel. And right here, you get your 12.3-inch digital gauges. You can change it to your G-force wheel, how much horsepower you're using. You can see what song is on. You can put like in palm, all that. Like the power shifters right here. Down here you get your steering, your brake, your deck pedal, and the gas pedal. Down here you get your M badging. This is not real M model. This just have the M style of touches and all that. Alright, so let's see what options does this have. So as you look in the window sticker, it's got the Air Sport package, which gives you that 22-inch wheels you saw. the M Sport steel plates, the M Sport steering wheel, the M Sport suspension, and all that. So now let's go to the back seat and see what you have in the back seat. Alright, so here's the back. You get these nice seats, you get your AC controls, also climate control, you get a little cubby to put some stuff in, you get your USB-Cs on the back of the seats, and you also get 12-volt as well. Open the armrest is kind of hard. Over here you get your cup holders and you get some space down here, put some candy down here. And the only bad thing is, we should make the panoramic sunroof come back a little more. Yeah. And now we gonna go to the engine, see what's powering up this big monster. So here's the trunk. You can only with your foot use the key or use the driver's wheel to open it. And you can also go down here. Nice electric assist. You want hard numbers, you get 27 cubic feet of space to see 2 volt down. You get a 12 volt over here, and you also get a spare tire, which is good. If your car broke down and you need to put a spare tire, you got a spare tire. You get your thing here to cover your stuff so nobody else will see what you have in the back and outside. Alright? If you're ready, I'm ready. We got the nice BMW key with the M badge in. And now we are ready to take this car for a spin. So here's the engine. You get a tape for engine cover. Under that engine cover, you get a 3.5 turbocharged 6-cylinder engine, inline 6, with aluminum bracing, 355 horsepower, 330 pound-feet of torque. And now we go to the trunk and see what space you have in this X6. Alright, so we're on the road. The car's in sport mode, as you see. Alright, forward. We forward and here we go. Performance. Yeah, this car got good performance, good horsepower, good pound-feet of torque, good engine, good everything. Alright, so this is a good car. So the performance handling is good. Good performance handling. Good engine noise. Looks like we at a stoplight. Looks like we at a standstill right now. Alright, on file, here we go. Alright, we gonna be releasing better content, more videos in the upcoming weeks, so make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the bell icon. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye for now.